Good morning, retail traders. Today I want to talk a little bit about Tesla on the early bird special. I think we're nearing to a very technical spot at the 200 SMA on the weekly time frame. This here's the weekly setup on the weekly time frame, and we are nearing that 200 SMA. Now, if we start to go sideways with this stock, I think we will, with a low support no lower than, let me change this right here. I'm thinking somewhere right around, I can't be exact, so somewhere around 162, 161 area. We'll just put that line right there for right now. Right around 160, 160, somewhere in that area would be your low support if that bounces off the 200. Or we might just go ahead and start going sideways today. Now, resistance to break is going to be the top of this candle right here. And that's going to be right around the 175.70 area. We'll just leave that. Well, let's go ahead and do that. Right around 175.70 to maybe to the top of the crow for a hard resistance right around, ooh, that 190 is pretty high. So let's bring it to the 20-day. Perfect. Lands right off of that little pullback that we had right here, which would find some kind of resistance level. Then we'd have to break the moving averages, and that would be the 65 EMA at 179 something, and that's a good spot too. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there. And then long, right around 185.90, right about in here, 184.84, 185 area. Those will be your three resistances to run this stock back up. But first we'd have to break that 175.70 or hold this 161.62. And we got to break that 21 EMA. These are my moving averages that I trade with. That's the 9, the 21, the 9 EMA, the 21 SMA, the 51 EMA, and then we've got the 50 SMA, and then we've got the 65 EMA, and then the 200 SMA. And that would be long. If we really started getting bullish, it could run back to 190, and that'd be about a $20 bounce. But I don't see that happening. We got to break these moving averages first. But let's see if we can hold that 161.20. Now on the options, I'm going to be looking at the 170 strike for this weekend and jump in that one right there. The 170 or the 175. It depends what we're going on here. But I do like that 170 and see if we can get back in the money and then get out of it once it hits in the money. And that's going to be Tesla. I wish everybody a great day. And you could also go long in that stock. We pull this off. We'll go to December 16. Maybe at 180 area, especially if it falls back a little bit. 185, somewhere in there, 545. And if it dips a little bit, that could be a good opportunity to get into the trade. So remember, on that weekly time frame, we got to hold the 200 SMA to stay bullish and try to run it up to the top of right around 184.84 if we do break that first resistance of 175.70. Wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, and let's have a good day today. Should be low volume, but we'll see.